Every time I step into my garden, I feel a sense of peace and closeness to God. The world can feel so busy and heavy, but here it's just me, the earth, and his quiet whisper in the breeze. The rustle of the leaves, the warmth of the sun, the richness of the soil, all of it reminds me of God's love and his faithfulness. This garden is a living testimony that even the smallest seeds, when nurtured with care and gratitude, grow into abundance. Today I'm harvesting zucchini, simple gifts from the earth, yet each one reminds me of God's provision. Every bend, every pick, every moment in this garden is an opportunity to pause and reflect. Life is much like this garden. We plant seeds of faith, hope, and kindness, and sometimes we wait. Carrying these zucchini into the kitchen, I feel joy in the simple act of creation. Here I will transform God's gift into something nourishing, zucchini bread, warm and comforting. It's a reminder that even small blessings, when embraced with gratitude, can bring beauty and nourishment into our lives and the lives of others. As I mix, stir, and prepare the bread, I reflect on how God blends every part of our lives, the challenges, the blessings, the ordinary, and the extraordinary into something meaningful. Life may not always make sense, but when we trust Him, everything comes together beautifully. Waiting, patience, and faith are part of the process, just like waiting for bread to rise in the oven. What feels like silence or delay is often growth happening where we cannot see it. The aroma of the bread fills the kitchen, and it reminds me that gratitude works the same way. When we embrace thankfulness, it spreads around us, softening hearts, lifting spirits, and inviting joy into our lives. When the bread comes out golden and ready to share, I see the fullness of God's abundant provision. As I slice the bread and prepare to share, I am reminded that life is meant to be shared, our blessings, our joy, and our gratitude. Just as this zucchini came from a tiny seed, may we also plant seeds of love, patience, and faith in our lives and in the lives of others. And in God's perfect timing, the harvest will come. And I leave you with this blessing. Galatians 6-9. Let us not grow weary in doing good, for at the proper time we will reap a harvest if we do not give up. Thank you for joining me on this walk through the garden and this journey from harvest to kitchen. If this message touched your heart, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Share your thoughts, your gratitude, or your own little blessings. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so we can continue to grow together in faith, gratitude, and abundance. Until next time, may your days be filled with peace, joy, and the goodness of God.